Seeing Japan brings you 3 intriguing Japanese meals in a famous Tokyo garden restaurant, the Chinzanso. Proper attire for this Jingus Khan menu enjoyed outdoors are happy coats and farmers' hats. The Jingus Khan barbecue style comes from Mongolia. Lamb, pork, beef and chicken are broiled on a charcoal grill with vegetables like sweet peppers, onions and eggplant. Savory sauces cool and flavor the meats. Try Jingus Khan cooking once and you'll want the recipe for your barbecue at home. If you eat too much, there's a 200-year-old garden at the Chinzanso restaurant to explore while walking it off. Sukiyaki, pronounced Sukiyaki by the Japanese, is a dish best known to foreigners. But unless you've eaten it in a first-class restaurant in Japan, you haven't tasted the real thing. Good sukiyaki meat, in thin slices from near the tenderloin, almost melts in your mouth. Vegetable ingredients include mushrooms, bamboo shoots, leeks, a kind of vegetable spaghetti called shirataki, or anything else you like, all cooked in sauce a little on the sweet side to bring out the flavor of the meats. Sukiyaki is served with a beaten raw egg which cools the meat and adds still another flavor to the subtle taste. Sukiyaki is somewhat slippery for the novice with chopsticks, but a little practice allows one to keep up with the best. Accompanying the sukiyaki and the raw egg are pickled vegetables and, of course, rice. Cold beer or hot sake are the traditional drinks for this meal. Now we enjoy tempura, seafood and vegetables deep fried in flavoring oils. Shrimp, sweet-fleshed river fish, mushrooms, peppers, and tiny eggplant are included in the menu. Although tempura cooking looks deceptively simple, everything must be just right. The raw food, the batter, the oil, and the timing of each ingredient. Tackling tempura with chopsticks for the first time also can be difficult, but the taste is so rewarding, the satisfaction so great that it's worth the trouble. Cooking in tempura style intensifies the flavor of fish and vegetables. There are many other kinds of Japanese food, but for Western palates, a sampling of Jingus Khan, sukiyaki and tempura are a splendid beginning to a gourmet's adventure while seeing Japan.